Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create an answer key in Google Forms. Make sure that you are already logged into your Google account so you can create any quiz or survey form by going to the blank form. My question has been created like a quiz for tutorial purposes. So first we have to do some settings. Go to the settings. Make this as a quiz by clicking on this option. This will create a multiple choice grid. To select an option, go to the drop-down menu and select multiple choice questions. Then add your question. Now you have to create some options here like this. Now you can see the option here, answer key. Click on this option. You can add any points here, just like I am giving 1 point for each question. Now you have to select one answer, which is the correct answer, just like this. I've selected 12, and then you can click on Done. So this is how you can create an answer key in your quiz in Google Forms. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy tutorials. See you in the next one.